CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are unboxing this SONKIR soil moisture light pH tester. So we planted some blueberries and we want to make sure it's getting enough moisture and the pH is correct. So let's open it. There you go. So it comes with a manual.
Wow, cool.
Let me see here. So here's the meter. There, you could. This is the one you. This is the button you can switch to moist, pH, and light. And then there's the two prongs that are copper and kind of metal. And here's the manual. My hands are kind of dirty because we just planted some blueberries over there. Okay, how to use. Switch to moisture, pH, or light position according to demand. Insert the probe into the soil about 6 to 7 inches. Make sure to insert at least 3/4 of the length into soil. My kids are watering one of the blueberry plants right now, and we can test the soil. So we're gonna test the moisture here in a little bit. Don't water the other ones, just that one. We're gonna test that. We're actually going for a pH of 4 and 5 because we're planting blueberries which love acidic plants, and I have added some acidic fertilizer, so I hope we get a reading between 4 and 5. So let's see here. Okay, there's some notes here. Do not force it in a very hard soil. Do not use the test pure water. Wipe clean, and if soil is too dry, it will not move. Water before testing. So that's what we did. Here are the equivalent values for the specification, the range. So for the pH value, 3.5 to 6.5 is acidic, 7 to 8 is alkaline. For moisture, well, let me check that here. So for moisture, if you get 1 to 3, it's dry. 4 to 7, it's in between, and then 8 to 10 is wet. So let's try to go for a wet soil. And then what else? For light, it's 0 to 2000 LUX. So let's check the plants right now. Let's try with the moisture first. And so here you go. I'm gonna probe it right now. So we're testing the pH. And so for the moisture, it's reading 8, 7. So it's moist. Okay, let's switch it to pH. It's reading alkaline right now. I might have to wait a little bit longer for it to read the soil reading. I think you need 10 minutes for it to read. So let's wait for 10 minutes. Now the pH is only reading 7 to 8. It's still alkaline. It might need a little bit longer. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and let's see here. My soil has not moved. It's still on 7, 8 or 7, which is alkaline, which is not good. So I might have to add a soil acidifier. I just used a fertilizer that's acidic and it's not working apparently. So we will try the light. And as you can see, it's getting a lot of light. It's in the very right hand, as you can see there, 2000, so it's getting a lot of light. And moisture, really good. Oh, let me see here, moisture. So moisture, it's really wet. It's 8 to 9. So our only problem is the pH. So that is a review for the SONKIR moisture, light, and pH tester. Hope this video helps. See you in the next one.